Hi viewers, Kishore from Candletricks, Chennai. This week we had only 3 market working days and I shared 3 calls with my students in first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, for learning support purpose by WhatsApp broadcast, and these are the calls, basic calls I given with my students. First day, Monday, 15th of April, I was given a Bajaj Finance with the profit of 2750, and 16th of April I was given Britannia and Axis Bank. Britannia we booked with the profit of 1600, and Axis Bank also we booked profit 1800. So overall profit for the day is 3400, and all the calls are NSE Futures only, and the P&L also calculated with first target and one lot basis. Daily basis I'm sharing 1 or 2 calls with my students for learning purpose. So last week 16,550 profit, and this week 6,150 overall profit shared with my students. Now about my own trade. Last week I started trading in Bank Nifty options, and this week also continued in the same with a capital of 40,000. This week I earned rupees 60,400 profit with 10 lot basis in each trade. So totally 150% returns I gained. That means capital was doubled. So these are the proofs. 16th of April I booked 22,400 with 10 lot basis, and 18th of April I was taken 2 trades, totally 38,000 profit I booked. So these are the proofs with the same unique strategy which I am trading till date and also sharing with my students in workshops. So Candletrick price action trading 1 day workshop 6th round successfully started from Hyderabad yesterday with great response about household, and I was really enjoyed the session because of the participants' interest and interaction also. Next workshop at Coimbatore on 27th April 2019 with the last 1 seat available for fresher. So interested members can enroll earlier, and the workshop schedule detail also given below in this video description. If you are interested, just contact by WhatsApp to know the course syllabus and book your seat to start your journey with our Candletricks family. And workshop seats are very limited, so book your seat earlier. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment. We'll get back to you with a next week call report. Be happy and healthy and have a great time.